you want a treat? Oh, she got it! No, give it here. Toby. Hold on, I can't see what she's doing.
Put the bad one down?
Stay. Well, I was just testing out 2 booties. Toby, ready? Ready? Go get it. They were at Gander Mountain. Come here, Toby.
They didn't come in any smaller size.
Come here.
You should put this on the
They
video.
don't exactly fit right.
You should put it on the video with Toby. No shade.
She's marching. Toby, who's that? Who's there? She's like she's wearing boots. Toby. Uh-oh, it fell off. What's that? What's that? Come here. Come here. Toby. Good catch.